This video presents how to calculate portfolio return. Portfolio is a combination of securities. We all know that generally investors prefer to invest their money in different securities instead of investing in a single security. So in case of a portfolio, you have a multiple securities and each security's return will vary from the other. To calculate the return on a portfolio, we use a different equation. So we see what is that. The return on a portfolio is weighted average of the returns on the securities in the portfolio. That is, return on portfolio equals to return on portfolio equals to weight of R1 R2 plus W2 R2 WN Rn. That is, Wi is weight of stock, Ri is return on stock. Weight is the proportion of your total investment invested in a particular security. So we will see with an example. Suppose we invested money in a stocks like stock A, B, so we created a portfolio with the 6 stocks and their weights 0.1, that is a 10%, 15%, 'So total weight need to be equals to 1, equals to, we use Excel function sum and we'll see whether it is total to 1.05. It need to be 1 or less than 1. 1 in the sense 100%. So total amount invested need to be 100% or less than 100%. Mutual fund companies, in their case, the portfolio will be less than 1 because they hold certain amount as a cash. And next we see, suppose stock A yields as a return of 12%, stock B yields as a return of 15%, stock C yields as a return of 7%, stock D yields as a return of 4%, and stock E yields as a return of 18%, and stock F yields as a return of 13%. So here I have taken percentages in decimals. So this is our portfolio. So we invested in stock A 10% of our total investment, and the stock A is yielding as a return of 12%. Similarly, in stock B we invested 15% of our total investment and return is 15%. In stock C we invested 25% of our funds and return is 0.7. In stock D we invested 0.5%, sorry 5%, and return is 4%. In stock E we invested 25% of our total funds and return is 18%. Now how is that we are going to calculate return on a portfolio? As we said in the equation, weight of 1 R of into R of 1. So this multiplied by this and summation of all this. Instead of that, we use built-in Excel function sum product, SUMPRODUCT product. By using sum product we can calculate the portfolio return equals to sum product. First select your weights of all the 6 stocks and array 2, that is returns of all the 6 stocks, and enter. So your portfolio return is this. To convert it into percentage, simply click on write, format cells, number, percentage, and click OK. So your portfolio return is 12.5%.